Hello, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving right into a quick guide on how to employ Slack's channel suggestion feature. This tool is essential to maximize your productivity and streamline your communication. To kick things off, open your Slack workspace. Now, the reason we do this is Slack's channel suggestion feature works within your workspace. It can't suggest channels if it doesn't know which ones are available to you. Next up, click on the Channels option on the left sidebar. This is where you'll find a list of all your channels. Slack's channel suggestion feature primarily works by analyzing this list and your interaction within these channels. Now that we've done that, on the top of the channel list, you'll see an option saying Channel Suggestions. Click on that. This helps us because the feature uses an algorithm to analyze your interaction within different channels and suggests the ones you might find useful. Once you've clicked, a list of suggested channels will appear. The reason this matters is these suggested channels are personalized to you. The algorithm considers factors like who you communicate with, what topics you discuss, and which channels you frequently visit. This way, it helps you discover new channels that can be of interest to you. Now you can either decide to join the suggested channel or dismiss it. If you decide to join, simply click on the Join button next to the channel name. On the other hand, if you don't find the suggestion relevant, click on Dismiss. This is crucial as it helps Slack refine its future suggestions for you based on your preferences. So there you have it. That's how you employ Slack's channel suggestion feature. This feature is a powerful tool that can help you stay engaged with relevant discussions and ensure you're making the most out of your Slack experience. Remember, the more you interact with channels, the better Slack can suggest new ones for you. So keep exploring, discovering, and communicating. Thanks for tuning in today, and happy Slacking.